Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today let's solve practice paper 4 of class 9 from Total English book. So as usual, you go through by the question number 1, 2 and 3. I will provide you the solution from question number 4. So the question number 4 is the comprehension passage. So you have to read the entire passage and then you have to answer the questions that follows. So you read the passage, let me provide you the solutions. So the first one here, for each word given below, choose the correct meaning from the given options provided. So the first word is atone, which means redeem. Option B is correct. Second, presentiment, which means foreboding. So option A is correct. Number 2, which word in the passage means the opposite of the word energized? So here option A could be taken, warn. Next, number 3, here answer the following questions briefly in your own words. So the first question is, how did Vanya feel before going out to take his Greek exam? So you can have your own answers according to your own understanding, but then I am providing you the answers. So the answer could be, before going out for his exam, Vanya felt anxious, extreme nervousness, worried and afraid. Therefore, he felt that his stomach was upside down and heartbeat throbbed. Next, number B. What did Vanya do before setting off for his exam? So the answer could be, Vanya kissed all the holy images 6 times. He got blessing from his mother and even asked his aunt to pray for him and gave 2 kopecks to beggar. Next, question number C. What did Vanya give the beggar? Why? So the answer could be, Vanya gave 2 kopecks to beggar on the way to school in order to get rid of his ignorance and not to get the bad marks. Number D. What premonition did Vanya's mother have when she saw him crying? So the answer could be, Vanya's mother had premonition that her son had failed in the exam when she saw him crying. Next, question number E. Whom did Vanya's aunt blame for Vanya's failure? So the answer could be, Vanya's aunt blamed to Vanya's mother for her son's failure. She blamed that she sent him into that high school and not into business like her son Kujia. Next, question number 4 here. According to Vanya's mother, how had his failure affected her? Finally, what solution did she give? Answer in not more than 50 words. So you can have your own answer. So the answer could be, Vanya's mother felt despair and cried in her room for her son's failure. She realized that her son was given many chances yet failed to perform well in the school. So she decided to send him into business and not to school like Vanya's aunt's son Kujia to earn some money. Next, question number 5. Here, fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. So here you have to answer according to the number wise. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the solutions. So the first one will be asked, second, making, third, perishable, fourth, sustenance, fifth, was left, sixth, waited, seventh, been called, and eighth, spiritual. Next, question number 2 here, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So the first one, his part-time job brings in a small amount of money. B. There has been a small reduction in the price of paper. C. I was shocked at the sudden news. D. He has taken to painting as a hobby. Number E. He made ambitious plans, but all of them fell through. F. I take exception to your remark. G. The manager called for an explanation from the receptionists. Number H. My aunt has to bring up 5 children single-handed. Next, question number 3 here. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, or so. Choose the correct option. So here I will read only the correct options to save your time. So the first one, he is wealthy. He can easily buy the best car here. So here option A is correct. Being wealthy, he can easily buy the best car here. Second, Eva is very clever. No problem is difficult for her. So here option B is correct. Since Eva is very clever, no problem is difficult for her. Next, number 3, he spoke to the man. The man is a magistrate. So here option D is correct. The man he spoke to is a magistrate. Next, number 4, where shall we stay in the city? This is the problem. So here option C is correct. The problem is where we shall stay in the city. Next, question number 4 here. Choose the correct option to rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each sentence. So the first one, he was known to be a kind man. So here we have to end the sentence with him to be a kind man. So here option C could be taken. Everyone knew him to be a kind man. Next, number 2, you must not be late or you will be fined. So here you have to begin the sentence with in the event. So here option A is correct. In the event of your getting late, you will be fined. Next, number 3, as soon as she received the good news, she began to celebrate. So here you have to begin the sentence with no sooner. So here option B is correct. No sooner had she received the good news than she began to celebrate. Next, number 4, why did I not get a computer before? Thought Maya. So here you have to change into indirect speech. So you have to begin with Maya wondered. So here option C is correct. Maya wondered why she had not got a computer before. Next, he was not sure if he could walk so far. So here we have to use the word doubtful. So here option B is correct. He was doubtful if he could walk so far. Next, number 6. Bhavya prefers reading a novel to watching a movie. So here to begin with Bhavya would. So here option D is correct. Bhavya would rather read a novel than watch a movie. Next, number 7. Jack was too late to catch the bus. So here you have to rewrite using so that. So here option A is correct. Jack was so late that he could not catch the bus. Next, number 8. Sudha is more graceful than most of the professional dancers I know. So here we have to use the word few. So here option A is correct. Few professional dancers I know are not as graceful as Sudha. And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any doubt or clarifications, please comment in the comment section.